They say the next world war won't be fought by humans, it'll be fought by machines. And today in South Korea, we just saw the future of that war. A massive military expo, the biggest in Asia's history, unveiled weapons that don't need soldiers, drones that hunt without pilots, tanks that move without drivers, and AI systems that can choose their own targets. The world is entering a new era of warfare, and once again, the United States is watching, not from the sidelines, but from the control room. At the heart of Seoul, thousands of defense experts, military leaders, and engineers gathered to witness the rise of autonomous military technology. More than 600 global companies displayed their latest inventions, from robotic soldiers to AI-driven surveillance systems. But behind all the flashing screens and shiny machines, one question echoed through every hall. Who will control the future of AI warfare? America, China, or someone new? For decades, the U.S. has been the undisputed leader in military technology. From stealth bombers to precision-guided missiles, American defense systems have defined global power. But now a quiet competitor is emerging. South Korea, backed by U.S. partnerships and its own cutting-edge innovation, is stepping into the spotlight, and what they just revealed might redefine how wars are fought and who wins them. The Expo showcased drones that can swarm targets automatically, communicating with each other using artificial intelligence, no human input needed. Tanks equipped with facial recognition systems, missile launchers that adjust in real time using battlefield data, and robotic dogs capable of carrying heavy weapons across enemy lines. These are not science fiction prototypes, they're real, tested, and ready for deployment. For the United States, this event is more than just an exhibition. It's a message that its allies in Asia are preparing for a new kind of conflict, one powered by algorithms and automation. With tensions rising in the South China Sea, North Korea's nuclear ambitions growing, and China rapidly developing its own AI-driven weapons, the timing of South Korea's showcase couldn't be more strategic. And every new invention unveiled in Seoul strengthens America's defense network in the Pacific. Washington has already begun deepening its cooperation with South Korea's defense companies. U.S. firms like Lockheed Martin and Raytheon are partnering with Korean innovators to develop hybrid systems where American AI software meets Korean robotics. The goal? To create machines that can fight smarter, faster, and without risking soldiers' lives. In short, the U.S. is using this alliance to prepare for wars that may never involve a human trigger pull. But this technological leap also raises uncomfortable questions. If AI decides who lives and who dies on the battlefield, who takes responsibility when something goes wrong? What happens when machines start making moral choices? Experts warn that once countries deploy fully autonomous weapons, there's no turning back. A single software glitch or misinterpreted command could trigger global chaos. And yet, the race continues, because in modern warfare, whoever controls the data controls the world. For ordinary people, the rise of these machines might feel distant, but the truth is, this technology will reshape everything, not just how wars are fought, but how nations define strength. The old image of soldiers marching into battle is fading. The new image is silent, machines moving in formation, satellites guiding them from space, and algorithms calculating victory before the first shot is even fired. As the lights dimmed at the South Korea Defense Expo, one thing was clear. The era of human-dominated warfare is ending. The machines are ready, the alliances are forming, and the United States, more than any other nation, understands that whoever controls AI weapons will control the 21st century. The next war might not be declared by a president, a general, or a dictator. It might be declared by code, written in some lab, uploaded into a system, waiting for the right command. The question isn't when this future arrives. It's whether humanity will still be in control when it does.